Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, that is 20th January 2021. Thought of the week: success is the sum of several small efforts repeated often day in and day out. I repeat, success is the sum of several small efforts repeated often day in and day out. Students, we have started lesson number 10, equations. We have seen what is equation. First, we have seen what is equality, then what is equation, then use of a variable in a equation, and or use of a letter which we say as variable for a number. Then we have seen what is the solution to the equation, and then we have seen how to solve an equation. We have seen examples, and we have started practice set 27. We have completed question number 1 and question number 2. So question number 3 is: given below are some equations and the values of the variables. Are these values the solution to those equations? We have to find out. They have done the first one. They have made 4 columns in the given table. First one, number, equation, value of the variable, solution yes or no. First one, y minus 3 is equal to 11. The value of y, that is value of the variable, is given as 3. If we put 3 in place of y, that is 3 minus 3 is not equal to 11, because 3 minus 3 gives you 0. And when we write 0 to LHS of the equation, 0 is not equal to 11, and therefore the value of y, that is 3, is not the solution to the given equation. Second one, 17 is equal to n plus 7. They have given the value of n as 10. Then if we substitute the value of n as 10, then 17 is equal to 10 plus 7, that is 17, and therefore n equal to 10, that is the value of the variable, is correct to solve the given equation. Therefore I have written yes here. Number 3, 30 is equal to 5x. The value of x is given as 6, and if when we place the value of x in place of x, that is 30 is equal to 5 into 6, then we get the number 30, because 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Therefore both sides are equal, and therefore we say yes, x is equal to 6 is the value of the given variable for the equation. Fourth one, m upon 2 is equal to 14. Here the value of m is given as 7, and when we divide 7 by 2, it is not equal to 14, and therefore m equal to 7 is not the value of the variable for the equation m upon 2 is equal to 14. Therefore I have written here no. This completes question number 3. Question number 4, solve the following equations. Number 1, y minus 5 is equal to 1. Solution, I have explained already all the steps of the solution to solve the given equation. In the first step, you have to write down the given equation as it is. Therefore y minus 5 is equal to 1. In order to keep only variable to the left hand side of this equation, we have to take out minus 5 from left hand side. Here a subtraction operation is present, therefore we have to use the opposite operation of subtraction, and it is addition. Therefore adding 5 to both sides, y minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 gives you 0. Therefore y plus 0 is equal to 6. That is y equal to 6, and answer, therefore y equal to 6 is the solution to the given equation. Number 2, 8 is equal to t plus 5. Students, you know that we have to keep the variable on the left hand side always. Therefore solution, 8 is equal to t plus 5, the given equation as it is. Now next step, exchanging the sides of the equation. T plus 5 is equal to 8. Here addition operation is there, therefore subtracting 5 from both sides. T plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 8 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 gives you 0. Therefore t plus 0 is equal to 3. Answer, therefore x is equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. Next sum, 4x is equal to 52. 4x means 4 into x is equal to 52. Solution, 4x is equal to 52. Now here, students here variable is attached with the number by multiplication sign. Therefore, we have to use the operation opposite to multiplication and it is division. Therefore, dividing both sides by 4. 4x upon 4 is equal to 52 upon 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 13 4s are 52 and therefore value of x comes as 13. Answer, final answer. Therefore, x is equal to 13 is the solution of the given equation. I repeat, therefore, x is equal to 13 is the solution of the given equation. Last sum for today's video, 19 is equal to m minus 4. Again, you know that uh, variable has to be present to the left hand side. Therefore, solution, first step, you have to write the given equation as it is. Therefore, 19 is equal to m minus 4. Next step, exchanging the sides of the equation, we get m minus 4 is equal to 19. Here subtraction operation is present, therefore adding 4 to both the sides. M minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 19 plus 4. Minus m plus m get cancelled. Therefore, m is equal to 19 plus 4, 23. Therefore, m is equal to 23. Final answer. Therefore, m is equal to 23 is the solution to the given equation. Students, you have to write all the matter from given slides in your copy. Complete your work on time. See you in the next period. Thank you and have a nice day.